Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. It's your girl Diane, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of my new camera. So guys, this is my new baby. This is the Canon M50, Canon EOS M50, and I just got this today. So I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that is inside this box. I'm going to be telling you the price and everything. I've actually been wanting this camera for a few months, and I'm so glad that I finally got it. So I'm just going to be unboxing it for you guys. Let me put it on the table. Okay, so this is my SD card that I had to buy. I bought it separately from the camera actually. I bought it for about 1,036 grivens, which is about $36, and it is the SanDisk Extreme. So I'm just going to put that aside, and then so up next I just have the user manual and the warranty here. I'm just going to put that aside because we don't need that. So first off, when I open up the box, what I see is, okay, so this is the charger. This is what the charger looks like. This is the cable cable for the charger. Let's look for the charger. Okay, yeah, so this is the charger. Just going to be opening that up. Oh my god, it looks so clean. Yeah, so this is the charger and this is the cable. Up next we have the strap. I'm probably not even going to use this to be honest, but yeah, I'm just going to keep it. So up next is the battery. This is what it looks like. Here we have the lens. So of course this is just the standard 15 by 45 millimeter lens that comes with the camera. Love it. Let's move over to the star of the show, the camera. The way I am excited. What? Guys, this is the Canon M50 finally. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, I love it. I love how lightweight it is. My god. So this is just the viewfinder. Goes to the left instead of on top. Oh my god, it looks so clean. Okay guys, so let's talk about the price of this camera. The original price of this camera is 20,000 grivens, which is about $706, but I got it for cheaper. I was not going to get it for that 20,000. I was going to get it while it was on sales, of course, because come on, I just had to wait. So I got it for 18,046 grivens, which is around $639. So I got about $70 off. So I'm really happy I got it for this price. I originally wanted to get the Canon G7X or the Sony a6400, but the Sony a6400 wasn't really my budget. So that camera is like, it's over $1,000, and the G7X is kind of in the same price range with this, but I watched a lot of videos comparing the both cameras and I decided to go with the M50 because of different reasons. One being that the lens in the Canon G7X is not changeable. You're not going to be able to change the lens, and then that is something that was a huge turn off for me because I'd obviously want to invest in other lenses, and I didn't really want to get a very big DSLR camera, so I just decided to go with this one. And also the G7X didn't come with a microphone attachment. Like, you can't attach a microphone to it anyway, and then obviously the internal mic of cameras, the quality of the internal mic of most cameras aren't that awesome compared to if you have an external mic connected to it. So another disadvantage. I would say the only disadvantage about this is the viewfinder is by the side instead of it being on top. So if I'm looking at the viewfinder by the side, obviously you will know that I'm looking at the viewfinder, but then it doesn't really matter. You just have to learn to look at the lens. But yeah, I think that's the only disadvantage. But Anyway, me, I'm very happy with my camera. I'm very happy that I chose the M50. Maybe later we'll upgrade to other ones. Okay, so obviously the battery of this camera is not charged up, so I'm just going to go ahead and charge up the battery now, and then I'll come back and then I'll do a video test for you guys so you can see the difference between my iPhone XS Max that I'm using currently and this camera. I know the quality is going to be superb. Like, I've watched thousands of videos. I know it's going to be amazing, but I just can't wait to see it on me. So yeah, okay, let me charge up my camera. Okay guys, so the battery is not fully charged actually, but I'll have to remove it because I can't even wait. Let me put it on. Oh, I have to set it up, guys. I have to put the dates and the time and all of that. So let me try. Let me just set it up. Oh, okay. Bro. Let me start recording. Wait, why does it keep going off? I guess. So I want to start recording. Okay. Oh my god. What? Okay, I'm actually the autofocus, you guys. Like, okay, I'll show you guys my whole room right now. But guys, when I tell you I love the quality, you guys, the autofocus in this is amazing. But like, it's so bright. Like, you guys, it is so bright. It's I love it. What? It's so bright. Like, you can tell that there's a difference. You can see the difference. It is obvious. Like, between this and this, it is obvious. Like, so obvious. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, Fashi, I'm so excited. Do you know that it's like way even better than my other camera? Because I had the M10 before. This is actually not my first camera. I used to use the M10, but long story, that camera. Anyway, I'm just so glad that I've gotten a new camera, and now by his grace I'm going to start making quality content finally, and I'm going to be consistent. I'm so happy with this camera, you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I don't want to go and press rubbish. Let me turn it off. Okay, wait, I have to test the audio. I forgot to test the audio, so I'm just going to turn this back on. Okay, so I'm going to film with this now. Yo, honey, what? I didn't even like put any settings or anything. Like, this is it in its raw state. Honey, this is amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to be testing the audio now. So this is what it sounds like with the internal mic in, and now I'm going to be switching over to my Boya microphone. I hope there's a difference. I'm only going to know the difference obviously while I'm editing, but I hope there is a difference. So I'm going to be switching over to the Boya microphone now. Okay, so this is what the audio sounds like. I don't know. I don't know. I hope there's a difference. The only thing I did was to plug the Boya microphone into the microphone jack on the camera. I'm not sure if you're supposed to set up any other thing, but that's what I did. So that's all, guys. I already did a review on the Boya microphone, unboxing the Boya microphone. It's in one of my videos. I think it's Vlogmas. I'm not sure if it's, I think it's Vlogmas Day 1. I'm not so sure. but you should check out my other videos. You definitely find it. So yeah, that's all for this video, guys. I'm super excited and I'm so grateful to God to be able to buy this camera and create more content for you guys. So you guys should stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'm pleading, like I'm actually begging right now. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. If you liked it, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hey, speak to me kindly. I'm the type of girl